Kudos is a smart browser extension that helps you earn more from your credit cards when you shop. It's simple to get set up. You just tell Kudos the cards you have. You don't even have to add card numbers. That's an optional feature. And whenever you get to check out on over 2 million sites that we support, Kudos automatically pops up, shows you the dollar value of rewards and hidden benefits like purchase protection across all your cards. We've partnered with about 15,000 merchants, including Sephora, Booking.com, where we double the rewards you earn. So if you typically earn 3% on Booking.com with your credit card, you would now earn an additional 3% with Kudos, so 6% total. And optionally, if you store your card details with Kudos, we have a seamless autofill experience, including your CVV, which is something that the Google Chrome autofill does not support. We have a smart card explorer tool that takes into account how you spend and the cards in your wallet and makes very data-driven recommendations to show you how much more you can earn from a pool of about 3,000 cards in the Kudos database. We built Kudos to make your life easier and to make your purchases seamless and more rewarding. So join our community today.